Hi, I'm Mark from the Home Depot Rental Center. When your landscaping project calls for either seeding a new lawn or overseeding an existing lawn, the Classen TS20 Overseeder will make the job quick and easy while providing rewarding results. This overseeder has a 20-pound seed box capacity and easily fits through gates as narrow as 2 feet. With a convenient fold-down handle, transporting this machine is simple. Now, before you get started, make sure you're wearing the proper protective gear, including safety glasses, durable work gloves, hearing protection, and work boots. The first thing you want to do is evaluate the area. Clear any debris like hoses, toys, or any object that could cause damage or injury. You should also mark all obstacles like sprinkler heads and tree roots. Most importantly, while operating the equipment, keep pets and others, especially children, away from the area. Once you have your area ready, you can begin working. Now, to start the overseeder, the first step is to turn the fuel valve to the open position and the choke to the closed position. Then turn the ignition switch to on. And we're going to set the throttle about halfway. Now, pull the recoil starter slowly until the engine starts and let it warm up. After the engine starts, turn the choke to the open position. You'll want to allow the engine to run for at least 1 minute before you start operation. When you're ready to seed, transport the unit to the work area. Make sure the adjustment lever is pulled back to raise the blades. Before pouring seed into the seed box, determine the correct setting for the seed being used and the rate of application. For best results, overseed in 2 passes using half the recommended rate of application. Overseed in a crisscross pattern. You can refer to the seeding chart decal on top of the machine for seed box setting information. Set the rate of application with the flow control handle on top of the machine. Next, move the height adjustment lever so the blades are just touching the soil. A good rule of thumb is that the proper height setting for overseeding is approximately 1/4 inch into the ground. To set to this level, adjust the lever height up 1 notch. Watch your setting though. If it's set deeper, the grass seed you apply may not germinate. To start overseeding, pull the bale up and push the machine forward. After the last pass, release the bale to stop the blades and close the seed box. When you've completed your landscaping, stop the overseeder by turning the engine switch to off. Then turn the fuel valve to the closed position. Finally, raise the blades using the adjustment lever. When you're ready to return the overseeder back to the rental center, be sure to run all the seed out of the seed box. To fold the handle down, slide the lock rings up and push forward. Secure the unit in your vehicle or trailer to prevent damage or injury. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.